Tonight, with Omicron now discovered in nearly 20 states, the mayor of New York City is implementing the nation's most sweeping vaccine mandate for all private employers. By the end of this month, those who work in person must have at least one dose of a vaccine unless they qualify for an exemption.
We needed to do something bold quickly and get ahead of all of this.
With new testing restrictions also implemented today for all travelers entering the U.S., our nation is bracing for Omicron, but already facing a disaster set into motion by Delta.
I used to wake up crying because I thought I was going to die.
Like 99% of those infected with the virus, Vera Martinez-Ruiz, who isn't vaccinated, likely has Delta.
I never thought it would get me, and it got me. And it's really scary.
Martinez-Ruiz is lucky to be alive and just as fortunate to have a hospital bed. At the San Juan Regional Medical Center in Farmington, New Mexico, the ICU is over 200% capacity. More than half the patients in the building have COVID.
This is our fifth wave, and this is clearly the most severe wave that we've had to endure.
In need of a lifeline, this rural hospital is now getting help. An HHS National Disaster Medical Team has been deployed to assist overwhelmed staff. Typically used on the front lines of natural disasters, they're now needed for a growing crisis inside hospitals.
For some Americans, the pandemic is becoming an afterthought. But that's not the reality on the ground.
COVID is still very much here. These are very bad, very sad situations that oftentimes don't have a very good ending.
That is most true here in the ICU, where cameras have never been allowed before.
All of these rooms are full.
All of these rooms are full of intubated COVID patients.
Authorities want the public to see how dire the situation is.
A lot of the sickest patients that are on this floor won't make it out of this floor.
The grim reality of Delta is often overlooked, and for the sickest, the writing is on the wall. Scribbled on far too many doors here reads the words "anointed by Father Tim." Patients who've been given their last rites because the end may be near.
Boy, Miguel, we are still deep in this. I know as hospitals are suffering under Delta, Dr. Fauci had something to say about Omicron and its severity. What did he say?
Well, Lester, scientists say it'll be a few more days until we know for certain, but Dr. Fauci says early indications point to a more contagious variant, but not necessarily one that's more severe. That's good news for those HHS teams that have up to 10 units deployed every month.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.